Hi, I'm Steve Richardson from XTech.
And I'm Matt Travers.
Today we're going to talk a little bit about our xTCA product line. We've got a lot of different customer types. Some of those customers are very small, some of them are medium to large. In the end, we help a lot of them learn how to both understand the specifications and the advantages and the things that they can produce by coloring, as we say, outside the lines.
Yeah, that's right, Steve. You know, we have a lot of customers actually that just simply do not have a strong mechanical engineering department. So what we are ended up doing in a lot of cases is actually taking their printed circuit board layouts and being able to develop for them exactly what they need in a faceplate. So we sort of integrate all those pieces together, able to provide them documentation, and then of course provide the final product to them as well. Many of our customers, though, they looking for something that's completely different, something that's, as Steve mentioned, totally outside the lines. A good example of that might be this here, which is the AMC FMC module. A customer called us and said, "Have you ever heard of this specification?" We said, well, we hadn't, but we had the opportunity actually to get involved with it. Not only did we get involved with the committee, but fortunately they allowed us to even have some input. And so we actually helped them in developing the mechanical specifications, really more making sure that it did interact well with the AMC form factor. In doing that, got us in on the ground level. We were able to satisfy these particular customers, and get ourselves obviously some more customers from that as well, and provide a solution that actually works. Another thing that the customer asked us to do, remember this one, it was this extender, and it was an AMC extender. Someone said we have a mid-size, and how can we turn that mid-size into a full-size? Very easily. And we ended up just coming up with a simple way to take this extended piece and clip it on, so that it could be something that is done on the fly and done in the field. So it worked out pretty well for us as well. Occasionally, we're even asked to go completely outside of the realm of a faceplate. In this particular case, this is one that sort of does interact with a faceplate, and it's a fastener. So it's this particular fastener here, which was developed for the micro TCA .1 specification, and it performs a pretty vital function for this particular specification. Again, not a faceplate per se, but something that attaches to our faceplate, and we can sell these as a system as well. Something else that we did, which is completely different, but a lot of fun for us, was to actually develop this extractor. The specification allows actually for a tool to be used to extract these modules from the chassis. And so we just kind of thought, well, why don't we just kind of come up with our own tool for that? So we actually ended up doing an overmolded injection part, turned it into a keychain, and this is something that we were able to, again, provide some customers and got a lot of good feedback from.
You'll find that we have at XTech a very, very lean environment. We can turn around your prototypes fast. We don't have a lot of bureaucracy or layers of management that tell us what to do. On the application side, we're willing to go all the way. We'll color outside the lines with you, and we want you to believe that whether you're a large, multi-billion-dollar customer or a small startup customer, you're all important to us. Thank you.